In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install the Final Fantasy XIV on PC or laptop. So if you wish to download the Final Fantasy on PC or laptop, you'll have to first of all download the Steam. So for that case, open up a browser and on the web address bar, go ahead and type in steampowered.com and it's going to take you to the official web page. So basically, in order to access the Final Fantasy XIV game, you have to install this application. So first thing, go ahead and press the install Steam button. When you do that, on the other page, go ahead and confirm by tapping the install Steam button located right at the bottom. Next page, you have to go through all of the prompt and then you have to allow all of these necessary permission and install the application. When you're done installing it, then you have to create an account. And as soon as you're done creating your account, you have to go and log in into your account. When you're logged in, go to your store. And as you do that, you have to go ahead and tap the search bar tool and type in Final Fantasy XIV. When you locate the following option, go ahead and select that. And here you have different modes on how you can go ahead and access the game. You could either buy the game or you could also use it as a monthly payment method. Accordingly, follow the prompt, and that's basically how you can download and install the Final Fantasy XIV on your PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.